Hi, welcome to the Books channel. This tutorial will show you how to access the root directory of your Books devices and how to manage your internal files with BOOXDrop, OTG connections, and third-party apps. Let's get started. Go to Settings, Storage, Manage. You'll see your files are categorized by file types. Tap Storage, and that will take you to the root directory, where you can rename, delete a folder, or create a shortcut to the desktop. If you want to manage internal files from your computer, you can use our BOOXDrop. Connect your computer and your Books device with the same local network. Tap BOOXDrop, enter the URL in your browser, click Internal Storage, and then you'll see the directory of your device. You can copy, rename, delete files, or download them to your desktop. Likewise, you can transfer files from your computer to your Books device by clicking Send to Books. Another simple method to connect your computer with Books devices is through a USB-C cable. The USB-C port on our devices supports OTG. With that, you can easily access and manage internal files and enjoy stable and fast file transfer. One more option you have is third-party file managers. Running on an open Android system, Books tablets allow you to download any apps you want from the built-in Google Play Store. So you can use your preferred file manager to perform operations. That's all for today's tutorial. Pick the method that's most convenient for you. We hope this video helps you out. See you next time.